Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Congratulations on those Ethereum trades yesterday. Already massive in the profits. We're going to jump into Bitcoin, Ethereum, total market cap. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Who remembers a few days ago when I said this is either going to be a very bad move or a genius one on the trades? When we saw Bitcoin before the drop, all the altcoins nuked and we bought the bottom, which is beautiful. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. My account back to 832,700. In the last 30 days, it went from 600,000 to 918,000 to 832,000. So I'm still up 230,000 this month, which is beautiful. Yesterday, my Ethereum trade is now $18,967 in the profits from 15 hours ago. If you followed that trade, $19,000. I used $9,000 to make $19,000 in 13 hours. This Bitcoin trade, 15,900, which is beautiful. This Ethereum trade is 60 Ethereum, so $293,000. This Bitcoin trade is 4 Bitcoin, $255,000. So these open trades are somewhere around $500,000. In spot, I also bought yesterday in my videos. I've got 339,000 still in USD, 1 Bitcoin 67K. I got 18 Ethereum at 66,000. They executed those buys before the pump. Doge 56,000, up 17%. Doge is up 17%. Wow. MCRT 52,000 up 10%, Pocket 44,000 down 7%, Uniswap 32,000 up 9%, WorldCoin 20k. This is what I'm holding. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin and the total market cap. And I also want to try and get Doge. So Bitcoin had a huge engulfing candle, but I was kind of expecting we would have a big bounce like this. Why? Because you can see here it's very mirroring this FOMC meeting. And this FOMC meeting, Jerome Powell said that they're going to leave rates unchanged, but this year they will drop the rates, which means cheaper money for everyone. We are having a bullish engulfing candle, stochastic turning up on the daily. Let's look on the weekly. We still had that massive weekly reversal candle, this big doji star. And this is something very dangerous. We got to watch this. But the volume is growing. This could have been the third to fourth corrective wave. If we continue this move up, this would have been the third to fourth corrective wave, but it is a very small one. You're looking at Bitcoin, each of these candles representing 1 week. This is technical analysis. If you don't believe it, then you need to study, because you're just gambling if you don't do technical analysis. The blue line buy is where Bitcoin fired a buy on 2023 on the Bitcoin indicator bot. You get that in the crypto mastercourse. And the Bitcoin, that was crypto guru bot. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell on the ETF announcement, didn't fire a buy yet. On the daily oversold, huge buying volume came in yesterday. Yesterday we had around 240,000 Bitcoin bought yesterday. So a lot of buying pressure on that bounce on the FOMC meeting. But I'm still seeing this. You can see it's almost symmetrical. You've got this, then you've got this FOMC meeting, then you've got this pinnacle, and then this FOMC meeting, and it looks like it can come down to 53K. We really need to watch to get a follow through here, that Bitcoin follows through on this cup and handle or this pump. Volume coming in, stochastic overbought. Very important that Bitcoin follows through, because it is making symmetry here to continue lower to 52. There is heavy resistance where we are right now. Very important day to see what happens. How we react here is very important. If we get rejected very strongly, then this is not finished and we fall much further. If we manage to move sideways and then break through here, it's very good news for the bull market. On the hourly, huge cup and handle forming on Bitcoin with a lot of volume coming in. Where I would take a long, I would take it on pullback to here. 64,369, stop loss 63,321, and then a follow through to the continuation to the top of this channel, 88,000, and then 115,000 if this bigger overall cup and handle plays out, which you can see on the weekly charts. There's a huge cup and handle forming on Bitcoin from the previous all-time high to where we are right now. It's forming a massive cup and handle that if that springs, 115K will be the target. So that's my trades on, that's what I think is happening to Bitcoin. That's where I would open 64,369, stop loss 63,321, take profit 115, risk to reward is 49 times, risking $1,047 to make $51,877 with no leverage per Bitcoin. Let's look at the total market cap to see what that tells us now. 2.5 trillion now. Huge reversal in total market cap as well. Similar patterns as Bitcoin. Almost same movement, same setup. No Doji star on the weekly, right? Let's see if it had Doji on the total market cap. Also Doji on the total market cap. Ooh. When We really need to continue a follow through here. If we get rejected here and come down hard, then most likely 1.8 trillion, which is a massive drop, 600 billion. So watching it closely, it is oversold on the daily and volume is growing, so easily can continue up here. So I'm monitoring closely at this resistance on this bounce back. Let's go into Ethereum. I'm looking at a few different currencies now, so it's different technicals, so it gives us a bigger picture. Same thing on the total market cap, same thing on Bitcoin, same thing on Ethereum, but a lot of volume coming in on Ethereum. And on Ethereum, did it also have a weekly doji? No weekly doji on Ethereum, and a huge hammer candle on the week pattern with volume rising. Where I would go long on Ethereum is a pullback to this support, tight stop loss under this area, and take profit target 4,800. Is there how do I find, I need to look for where the big target would be for Ethereum. I mean, the only way we can do a measurement of where a target would be from Ethereum is if this is a cup and handle here, playing out. And if that's a cup and handle, we move to the base of the cup. So we're talking a movement like this. The target of Ethereum would be $6,230. Oh yeah. So I'm extending my take profit target here. That's the trade I'll take on Ethereum. Let's go closer on the 4 hourly. I'd make a tighter stop loss. Why does that stop loss have to be so big here? I'd pull it back to support here. That's a trade I'll take on Ethereum, opening at 3406, stop loss 3345, take profit 6230, risk to reward 46 times, risking $60 to make $2,841 per Ethereum with no leverage, 10x leverage, $28,000. Let's go into Doge now. I'm just trying to find all the information that I can. Also, I'm going to be making a video later this afternoon on Tesla. I sold a lot of tech stocks, and I'm going to move most of it after my gains into Tesla. Huge bull flag forming on Doge. Or some, it's like you can see here, I'll show you what I mean. Got a breakout here. Not really a bull flag, just descending triangle that's breaking out. Upside for Doge. Target would be 19 cents. But we got to again monitor very closely what Bitcoin does and the total market cap of all crypto does. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath the video, go down below, sign up to Bybit. You get a $30,000 bonus when you use this link. 2, take us the crypto mastercourse. It teaches you all of this trading. Join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading. Let's look at news over on X. You can follow me on X as well. I've got 85,000 followers there. 13 hours later, I'm the best trader in the world. If you followed my video yesterday, 14 hours ago, I made that Ethereum trade and I bought Ethereum spot up almost $100 or $50,000 since yesterday, since I bought that Ethereum, which is beautiful. I want to dance with somebody. Amazing song. Listen to it. Johnny Hurt calling me Nostradamus. Thank you, Johnny. James sells, the market tanks. James buys, the market shoots up. Booyah. Correct MCRT total supply is down, shown on market cap. The MCRT rank and market cap have also been updated. This is huge news. MCRT has been updated with the circulating supply is actually 4.3 billion out of 7 billion, not the 3 billion that was being recorded previously. Watch this video, Crypto Haze, and follow Crypto Haze. He's the founder of BitMEX, and he's one of the smartest people in the space. Great call on the market drop the other day. Followed your advice. Now have more Bitcoin than 2 days ago. This Ethereum trade. Also, I commented something quite important here. This is very important if you had money on FTX. This is very important if you had money on FTX. Oh, by the way, Javier Miller's government announced the closure of 2 national agencies and the dismissal of 900 employees. Get rid of these dinosaur-leeching politicians stealing your money, injecting you with drugs you don't want to take. The world needs more J. Mills in all top political spots. Fuck the dinosaurs. And this is important. Sam Bankman-Fried defense team pushed back against the DOJ's 40 to 50 year prison sentence, calling it disturbing. What I find crazy, he had a $10 trillion company stolen off him for $8 billion from attack. He was the biggest investor in Solana, now worth $110 billion. He was a major investor in Anthropic AI, now worth $18 billion. He did another 200 investments. What happened to all that money? Who stole it? Why are FTX customers not keeping all these billions from the funds that their money was used to make all of these investments into Solana, which was $3, now $200, now over 110 billion. Why are they getting their crypto back at the 2022 low valuation? Why aren't we splitting? We should be splitting anyone who had money on FTX should be splitting the funds that Sam Bankman-Fried invested. Why are they getting their money back at the 2022 low when the liquidators sold all FTX money? Either the lawyers are keeping all the money, the government's keeping all the money, someone's keeping all the money. Sam Bankman's not. He's in jail now, and they're putting 50 years on him, even though he was a kid that built an amazing technology and made incredible investments. Where is that $110 billion of Solana that FTX invested in? Why is it not going to the customers of FTX whose funds were used to make those investments? Quick update in the markets. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. I'm currently long on Ethereum, Bitcoin. I'm currently holding spot Doge, Ethereum, Bitcoin, FTX. No, not FTX. FXS, Uniswap, MCRT, WorldCoin, and I'm going to be buying those on big dips, and you can see on my portfolio in the previous video. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.